To optimize your phone performance in Xiaomi 17T Pro, first of all, you will need to find a security app on your phone. So usually it should be in the system apps folder right here. It looks like this. That is the security app that we're looking for. When you enter it, on the top, it will begin scanning for your phone optimization. And then, depending on the score, you'll be able to optimize your phone. So if you click on this button, then again, it will check for any system security issues, clear your cache, and again, overall security steps. Then we can see what options are recommended to optimize our device. So you can clear your trash faster by adding home screen shortcut for the trash app. You can use Xiaomi Cloud. You can update your system, solve problems on your device with Fix Now. You can check which things. You can see which things were previously checked on your phone and if they are in good shape. And then you can click on each and every of those options and try to optimize your device. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.